Hello everybody, my name is David and this is Simply Airguns. Just giving you a quick channel update. I am currently in my pickup dragging my travel trailer, and I'm on my way to Texas, and I brought a couple of air guns with me. I'm hoping to get some 50-yard shots in on the Alpha, and I've got a couple of scopes that I want to show you. And then I've got all Pinty. I've got the Pinty BullPup with me and the Gunnr scope. So I'm going to have an all Pinty set up, and maybe we can get a few shots in with it at 50 yards also. So that's really all I've got right now. I'm just trucking across New Mexico, headed to Texas, and when I get down there, I'm going to try to get a couple of videos put together for you guys. But I didn't want to just disappear and not give you some kind of an update. So stick around, and I'll get to it as quick as I can. And I guess what's going to happen right this minute is YouTube's going to put a video up there you might like. I'm going to put one down here you might like. I'll catch you in one of those, or I'll catch you down the road.